Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Marlinda, and today I'm going to make a tutorial about restore the forgotten email password. The first you have to do is open your browser and then search google.com. And then Google accounts. And then sign in. And then click help because you forgot your email password. And then click account recovery. This one. And can sign in to your Google account. Select that this issue you forgot your password. Then follow the steps. It may take a long time. Then input an email address that forgot about the password. This one. Then click next. Because you forgot about the password, try another way. If your number connected to your email, click try another way. Then Google will send the Google code to my phone. Click text. I will input my code. My code is 275,672. Then next. And now create your new password. Then confirm. Click next. And then continue. Yeah, your Gmail password is already changed. You can log in with your new password. I hope this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.